This is Wellingborough, this is Wellingborough. And that is my lady June, look at her. She's got her teddy. Morning Teddy. Morning Daddy. This is, we're here hopefully to see the Toton West Hampstead leaf and grease removing train.
Yeah. Platform 2 does not stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 2.
There you go, spot on the dot, or even the clock. Right, let's see where else we can go, shall we? Okay, so we're at Wolverton now. Hoping to get one or two freight. Just had a nice Cornish pasty, cup of tea. June's in the car over there, the grey one. But no telling what she might do. I have to be on alert all the time. Well, I thought I'd just add that in. That's the latest livery. There's a lot of them been re-liveried now. We're not going to stay very long. That's only the water train running and then the regular freight. So we'll be going home after the water train, as long as it turns up. With my girl, she'd been asleep already, and we both had Cornish pasties. Yeah. Thought I was going to get blocked here. Well, there you go, a couple of little films joined together for today. I can't even remember what date it is, but going home now. We're both a bit knackered, to be honest, so we'll go home and have a kip. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.
If you can do that, that would be perfect.
Are you taking a picture of me?
Yes.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Do you want to stand with me?
Let's do it. Come in, come in.
No, you stand with the, what's her name? Stand together.
Come on, stand with me. Stand with me. So cute.
That's it. 1, 2, 3. Go. There you go. With Teddy as well. We've just come across this young lady sitting on our wall, eating
my pasta.
eating her pasta and drinking our booze.
Water.
And she's from Leeds. They are Steve. She's from up your area.
Oh,
There.